Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome to a new video. Today you're joined by me. So hold it. Today you've got me and you've got behind the camera my good friend and one of your favourites on the channel, Tom Peck. Show him your face, man. Hey, we're back, baby. We have got this absolute bag of nails that we're going to be taking apart today because, should I film them in the garage or should I tell them now?
Do it in the garage.
Do it in the garage.
Yeah.
Right, let's get around in the unit.
Cool.
There's no pads. Oh man, why did I do that? That's going to be gross taking it apart. So, what's going down today? You'll see I've got a smile on my face, which means it's probably no big work on a whip. Nothing that we have to get finished in a day. So, I purchased this car from a neighbour. It was just sat on his driveway and hadn't moved for a long time. And I was just like, hey, I like buying things I don't need. So I offered him £80, well, I asked him how much he wanted and he was saying, we're going to scrap it. So I just said, well, how much is scrap value? Thinking I was going to have to give him about 150 quid. And he ended up letting me have the car for 80 British pounds. Then it's been this whole war in my head, like what do we do with it? Do we turn it into another drift car? Do we make it a really nice road stancy build? And I looked at the price of parts and they're all expensive and I can't be bothered. We've got that thing over there as the main money burner of my world. And I didn't want to have another one at the moment. So instead I thought, what could we do with this that we could film for you guys out there that could put a bit of money in my pocket? I could get this idiot back involved in a video again and not praying out that something's going to break. Well, I just thought what we could do is make this a cool little series. It's not going to be a long one, be a short little series, maybe a couple of episodes long, and see how much we can break this car for, make profit-wise out of this car. But, unfortunately, there's some things like bonnets with there's damage on. I personally don't think that's worth anything. Do you? I think we should just throw that away.
Someone will buy it, I'm sure.
You think someone will buy it?
Yeah, but that's not that bad, is it? Really? That'll come out, I reckon.
There's some good stuff on this car too. Grey leather interior. Seems quite desirable in the Mercedes world. I joined a Mercedes W202 owners club and they were all asking about the interior and some chap said, hey, I'd like to buy a body kit. And I was like, what's the deal with the body kit? Because I'm not, I fucking don't know. It's my first ever Mercedes and I paid 80 quid for it. I'm not a Mercedes fan. I was like, what's good with the body kit? It was like, it looks like an AMG kit. And I was like, okay. So I Googled how much they're worth. And, oh, baby, breaking this car. I will probably get more money for this body kit than the whole car itself. So that's some good shit. And I thought I would share it with you guys. But well, today we're just going to try and take it apart. But we do have to nip out now. So let's go do that, then come back and then send it, yeah? Let's go, baby. We're going to boot it. We're all about the profit in this series, baby. So, what do we do first? Bumpers. Let's get these bumpers off.
I'd say bonnet.
Why bonnet? With bonnet?
Well, it's just fucking in the way and it's horrible and shit.
Of anything.
Wait, I'm having this.
Time wasted.
I'm having this.
Yeah, take it off properly though, because you've got to put it on a fucking necklace. Fixed it. Okay, let's crack on.
Oh, look at that sick side exit now. Big old pipes out the side.
So we have made a bit of a boo-boo already. Trying to take one of the door cards off. Trying to take one of the door cards off and I kind of I cracked the plastic. But it's not the end of the world. I don't think we're going to get too much for the interior anyways. I'll just sell the seats instead if we can work getting them out. The main parts of the car we're going to try and make money on is the side skirts, the bumpers, and the wheels. That's definitely worth some dollar. How much yet? We don't know, but we should definitely make profit, which is what we want, baby. So I have made a rookie error in filming and not had this one recording like I thought we had. I've just seen it on the side of the desk. I was like, oh, I thought we were filming. So the car is looking somewhat more stripped, having a little bit of an issue getting the bolts of the front of the side skirts out. They're an absolute rotten nightmare. Front bumper off, front seats out. Gonna chuck those back on so we can drive it over to the yard, and then we're gonna film like an extra bonus joke video, and we're just gonna blow this engine up, I think. Just because I can't be asked to get it out. It's not gonna be worth enough money and effort-wise. Also, because of the ass front suspension setup, I cannot be asked to take that off either. What are you doing in there, Tom Peck? Why are you destroying stuff that doesn't need destroying?
I'm not taking it off, nicely.
What? Why?
That might be worth money, mate. It's a self. Fucking spoil. No wonder your dad hates you. Another 20p.
Another 20p.
Hey! Oh, what was that?
Oh, Tom Peck! Oh, Tom Peck!
You just had an Adam moment.
I'm proud. I feel like a proud fucking dad right now.
There's a button, isn't there? They go down.
Well, you fucking ripped it out, you fucking dope. How much money for you to eat that egg? How much?
50 quid.
I'll give you £50, but you have to eat the whole thing. Hang on. 50 quid, yeah?
Yeah.
We don't even know what it is.
It's a chocolate egg, isn't it? No, that's a bead, mate.
A bead?
That's not a chocolate egg, mate.
Oh.
That's a bead. I put that's a bum bead or something.
You're gonna put it in your mouth. Take it out. You just gotta yank it upwards.
What?
You think you're so funny, don't you, Tom Peck? Front bumper off. We've only got one of the little slits that go in the grill. Mats, which look like they go for decent money, so I'm gonna put them up for cheap. These little like underlight things and one good headlight. So yeah, so far so good. So far so good. Car is now kind of jacked up this side. We need to get these side skirts off, and there's a bolt all the way along, which is very annoying. This needs to come off. That is now both side skirts and the front bumper. Just the rear bumper to get off. And then we're gonna go and really be idiots, and I can't wait. Oh, she is looking empty, Tom Peck.
Fuck off.
And found, tucked in the boot, is the other part of the bumper, baby. Yes! Come on! Come on! Oh, that's gonna be worth some extra money. Yes! Yes, Tom Peck. Ow! I said don't do it hard, you. So you just punched my knuckle back into my hand. Okay, we have the body kit, which is the main important bit of today. We've got some extras. All now we need is to get that thing back round there so we can get the cats off and the wheels off, and we can go home. Stop it! Put it in park! I'm James Dean! Woo! Do this.
Because you want to sell the body kit.
Yeah, I know, but why are we in here doing this? What was I going to do? We're going to get the wheels off it, weren't we? Yeah. Okay, back we go! Ow, my arse, what are you doing?
Oh, sorry.
You know what we should have put in the boot of this? The jack. We need to go get the jack it up, get these wheels off, and then send it till we end it, I guess. I really don't want to lay under this thing.
Do I want to give it a go?
Oh my fucking god, dude. Just start it now. Oh fuck. Peck's taken over the reins because I got the rear off, just got most of the front off, and then I got really angry. So Peck's taken over so nothing bad happens. Alright boys and 3% girls, we are finally done, Tom Peck! Woo! Today's way longer than I thought it was going to be, but I'm very happy. The poor Mercedes. Plan of action from here on out. Get all of the stuff we've removed today, tidy it all up, get it all listed on the Mercedes groups and on eBay. Make some profit, let you guys know how much we made in the next installment of this. It's probably going to be in 2 parts. So this is part 1, part 2 to come once we've sold everything. And if we make enough, I'll treat Peck to a Nando's. But shall I let the audience decide what Nando's you get?
Yeah.
There you go. I have to order it for you as well, so there's no backing out.
Okay.
He hates hot food. There you go. Right, we're out, guys. Please hit subscribe if you enjoyed the video at all today. Really helps us out, I think. It helps my ego out, if anything else. Leave a like if you enjoyed it to let me know you have had fun today with us. I know it's a bit of a weird one, but I thought it'd be a bit fun to do. Just going to tidy up the garage now, get all the stuff in, ready to be cleaned up tomorrow, and get the Sylvia back in here, ready to be, well, dropped off to Jack. Looking forward to it. Right, guys, thanks for sticking with us, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.